and Jojo, yeah. Today's all about Arrabiata. I'm going to show you my take on Arrabiata sauce. So, you want a tin of chopped tomatoes, you want a roasted red pepper, I'm going to use about half a dozen pitted black olives, okay. I'm going to use a teaspoon of chili powder and half a teaspoon, pay attention, of smoked paprika. This is a magic ingredient, this, and a tablespoonful of a decent oil. We're going to whiz it all together in the blender, and then it's a great sauce for meatballs or chicken or pork chops. It's fantastic. It's spicy and you get the tomatoes. It's lovely, lovely. Anyway, here we go. Yeah, dementia's setting in. I forgot to mention basil. Oh, yeah, we're going to put some basil in. Good for garnish as well, this. So that's the tomatoes in. I'm going to put a roasted pepper in there. Okay. Two, three, four, 8. 8 black olives. Teaspoon of chili, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a tablespoonful of oil. Okay.
Don't forget the basil leaves, about a dozen, a handful of basil leaves, get them in the blender.
That's the result. After about 2 minutes of blending and fingering, and the taste. Oh my God, that is fantastic. That is food porn, I'm telling you. So I'm having meatballs and spaghetti with this wonderful Relic's Arrabiata, and well, if you want to come and join me, feel free. Right then, there's my meatballs. You never thought you'd see them. So all I'm going to do now is I put 9 chopped meatballs, only tiny, but it's good enough for one portion. That I'm just going to tip half of that mixture in there. Whoops. Casual tip. And I'm going to bring it to the boil and simmer it for about 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. Right, the meatballs are on, so I'm going to get the spaghetti ready. So basically, my rule of thumb is this: finger to the first knuckle, and that's 1 portion, that's 2. Okay, so first knuckle, that's 1 portion. That, so pop it in the pan like that, and then we're going to add boiling water to the spaghetti and boil it gently for about 10 minutes with the lid on, and then drain it, plate it, and add the meatballs and the sauce with a bit of garnish. Boil the kettle. Almost half filled the pan, and let's bring it to the boil. Be careful
not to leave your spaghetti hanging out where a flame can get to it, because believe me, it does catch fire and burn very well. I have done it. I just wish I'd videoed it, because that would make me famous.
Okay, it's boiling nicely now that, so we're just going to bend the spaghetti into the pan. And once it's under the water, we can put the lid on and simmer it for 10 minutes. There we go. So lid the door. We're going to simmer that for 10 minutes.